of our customer ask us about the fabric colors and the fabric quality. So here in this video I will show you first the fabric design and the same fabric color options, catalog color options. So this is starting with nada. This is Korean nada, soft and glossy, little thick, not that much but flowy, and these are all color options. So all color, there are numbers mentioned on it. So if you want to see and make any sample or design of this color, you can just let us know the numbers. When they will send you the closer picture and video, so you can check. These are all color options. Mostly all these colors are available, and if any of the color gets out of stock, then it will be available in the next 10-15 days with another shipment. So these are the color, all these are Korean nada color options.